Hey everyone, welcome to this supplemental episode of Black Box Down. You're in for a treat today. I'm here with a surprise Season 1 final for Chris. Good morning, Chris.
What?
Yeah, everything we learned in Season 1, I hope you remembered, hope you took good notes. We're going to give you a pop quiz to see whether or not you passed Season 1 of Black Box Down.
You said this was supposed to be a behind-the-scenes, like, talk about how we make the show.
Yeah, but fun. I mean, I feel like it's been a while probably since either of us has taken a test, so let's just do a test instead.
Like, over planes?
Over the things that we talked about in the first 10 episodes of Black Box Down.
We recorded those, like, months ago.
Well, we'll see how good your retention is to question all these things. You never know, Chris, what if you're on a plane one day and you
and they go to me for help?
I mean, you could possibly try somewhere else, but I don't know if any of the beaches are open near Chicago.
Podcast, don't you get up here. I hope we're never in that situation.
Yeah, me too.
Well, maybe I'll do okay. Let's find out.
Okay.
First one, easy one. So on episode 1. What is the name of the propeller used on the Gimli glider that restored some power to the plane?
The rat.
Yeah, the rat.
The rat. Sounds like, how I was like the mouse tail. The rat.
I feel like I almost heard you say mouse there.
Yeah.
Bonus point, do you know what RAT stands for?
Rotational. No.
It was a bonus point, doesn't matter. Ram air turbine. That's bonus stuff. Okay, Chris, question 2. Where did the Gimli glider crash land?
Can't.
I mean, I guess that's true.
Okay, more specifically, Gimli Air Base. No. The race car track. But they were, yes, the race car track.
Yeah, it was a closed Air Force base that converted to a race car track.
Yes.
That one,
Yeah. In my head, I was like, wait, race car track, but also an Air Force base, but that's how it got its name.
Both. And then, yeah,
it was a bonus point for getting both. I got the history of it.
Yeah, the kids were on the runway on their bikes trying out on the plane. See?
I was like, the mouse tail,
I felt like I almost heard you say mouse there for a second. Bonus point, do you know what RAT stands for?
Rotational. No.
It was a bonus point, doesn't matter. Ram air turbine. That's a bonus. No. Correct. Okay, Chris. Question 2. Where did the Gimli glider crash land?
Canada.
I mean, I guess that's true.
Okay, more specifically, Gimli Air Base. No. The race car track. But they were, yes, the race car track.
Yeah, it was a closed Air Force base that converted to a race car track.
Yes.
That one,
Yeah. In my head, I was like, wait, race car track, but also an Air Force base, but that's how it got its name.
Both. And then, yeah,
it was a bonus point for getting both. I got the history of it.
Yeah, the kids were on the runway on their bikes trying out on the plane. Crazy story. Alright, question 3. It's a multiple choice question. The kids were on the runway on their bikes trying out on the plane. Crazy story. Alright, question 3. It's a multiple choice question.